today I'm able to work with people by way of their photograph. Now, this is quantum science or 0 point energy. So people will email me a photograph and I'm able to take their photograph and actually place their photograph inside a quantum instrument or place their photograph inside this ScalarLight instrument. And in so doing, we have incredible results from people that are experiencing this type of quantum healing or this type of 0 point healing.
Welcome to Free Range with Gail of Gaia, and today Gail and I welcome Tom Paladino and Drake Bailey to the program. As usual, a lot of things were said that make this a no-no on YouTube, so check that description for the show links.